Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Discord stream no sound. To start, open Discord, go to your server, select a voice channel, click Share Your Screen. After this, you can see what you are about to share. Then click on User Settings. You are going to go to the Voice and Video section in the Screen Share section. Check that the switch, use an experimental method to capture audio from applications is active. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.